Hey y'all, I got a craft project. Okay, so I'm gonna try to put some stickers on here. I don't know if I should rough it up some and then they'll stick. I don't know what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna cut Miss Snooty out a little bit and see what happens. She's not on a clear background or anything, which is fine. Um, but I'm gonna cut her out and put her on the cup because I always wanted to put her on the cup. Um, so I was gonna put her on a coffee cup, but I got a white coffee cup, and but to use to put stuff on. But I see what I'm gonna do with that one, cause I might want to make some more different type of things to put on it. But I think Miss Snooty will look good on this bigger cup. Do I want a flower? It just seemed like I should do a flower. Okay, let's do this one. Be like, what are lips going to? And yeah, it's gonna be white paper showing on it. It's fine with me. Okay. Can y'all see me or is my hand back too much? And we gonna let that side stay like jaggy, 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 okay? Alright, let me see. You all know these things be hard to peel off, but nevertheless, we get them off. Trying to do it at the bottom because you don't make. Ooh, I was laying on my top, y'all. I might have cracked it. Okay, so let me see if I can get it off without bending it to get it off. Easy. In the meantime, while I'm trying to get the sticker off, y'all, um, they sent our glass for my back door yesterday, right? So I was like, they said 11 days, but it came kind of quick. Whoa, why won't you come apart? Okay. It came kind of quick. It's trying to. It's trying. So, there you go. All right, so struggle is real. So, um, so now we're still gonna wait till the weekend or whatever. I hope it stays on here. But I'll probably put some Mod Podge. Should I put her down here? I'm gonna put her in the middle. She look good right there, right, with her pink and stuff. Yes. So yeah, what I was saying is I'll probably put a getting some of these to see if it's gonna work on the plastic. Um, put some Mod Podge on there or something. Put some things on it. Now I do have some of these that I can put. Let's just sit that between it. I don't even need to draw nothing, not necessarily. Now look at this. This want to be hard to come off too. Is this in between something? Hold on. I got one off the other day. I did. I got one off the other day with no problem. Excuse me. You just have to pick at it. Pick. Okay, there you go. So I can decorate this cup. I don't have to draw nothing probably. I don't know. I was going to still draw some stuff. So we just gonna slap that right next to that so it'll be on there with it. So these you have to rub, pinch too. You got to. Where did I get these from? I don't even. Did I get these from Temu too? Y'all know I was a Temu shopper. Temu shopper. Now this gonna be on her. I don't want it to be on her. It could be like about right here. Okay. There you go. Okay. I might not draw nothing because these flowers is making it come alive. Okay, so I got a whole pack of flowers over here, but we're going to stay on this one. Let's pick this off. Ooh, that one came off easier. Y'all see, I got these markers out for nothing probably. But it's coming out pretty, ain't it? It's coming out real pretty. I'll probably put the Mod Podge on top of this. I don't know, you know, to protect it. I don't know what to put on top. I don't know what to do. Might look at some videos. Y'all see in that little white background that's on there? Don't even matter. It don't matter, y'all. It don't matter. It's turning out good. Okay, what is this? This is coming up. Okay, now that's the wrong piece. Okay, because I'm like, something ain't right. Something ain't right. All right, so, let me see. Should I make this come out this way or put this way over this so it can be in there? We'll just put that on top of that. Put that in there. All right, let me see. I got another long branchy thing. I try to put all the longer pieces on here so it could cover up a lot of space. And if it covers up a lot of space, it'll be cool, right? All right, and we need to put something up there. So we got this and this. Let me see. That. We're going to pick the bigger one. And we picked the bigger one. All right, look at Miss Snooty, y'all. Oh my God. Yes, I ain't putting no markers on here. So this is this. Let me see. I don't know what to put on here to protect it from being washed like I was thinking about the Mod Podge stuff. Hold on, let me see. Let me get these off. Cause I'm not doing that. I was going to draw my cup too, but we ain't doing that. Where they do that at? Let me see if I can get some more crafty stuff out for you guys. Because this was not a plan. Okay, got some stuff. So I think it looks great. And I had took out some other stickers because I was like, am I going to put some stickers on the back? No, I'm not. We're just going to have her on here. And then I did, my die cutting machine, y'all. These not even colored. So I ain't putting this on here because I was like, I can use, that's another story. We ain't even going to talk about that. Do I shake this? Let me see. There's a little bit. All right, so I mainly want this on her. Not on the stickers, not really. Because they plasticky. Is that a word? Plasticky. Whoa. Hold on. Quick little science project over here, you know. Artsy science project. Like, what are you doing over there? I don't know. I'm just doing some science project work. Smooth it out. Smooth it out. Smooth it out. Okay, we're going to let that dry up a little bit. Now, I don't know, like I said, am I going to do the flowers, the plastic stuff? Some got on this up here. My brush wipe up there? I ain't trying to get nothing up there. I got to be careful and not make the brush go out too wide because I want the rest of the cup to stay the clear look. Let me see. Yeah, so we're going to let that dry up a little bit. Ain't that great, y'all? I don't know if I should keep this. I'll probably keep that, you know, for some projects. Some projects. If I want to do some projects, I got some little doodads right there. Miss Snooty is a cutie. Yeah. So I wanted to start drinking out of this cup and putting my little drinks up in here. So I was like, oh, let me go ahead and decorate it right quick. So that's why I was like, let me do a little artsy project. And, you know, everything is content. Ain't no need to do nothing behind the scenes and then bust something out and be like, here you go, y'all. I made this and blah, blah, this. They can see you do it, right? They can see you do it because content is content when you're making these videos. So that's very important that whatever you do, content is content, all right? So it doesn't take that long to dry. So I'm going to see if I put one more layer on it. Ooh, that was too much came out. But I like doing projects because I wanted to put her under the, you know, water, and I'm going to need to do that. Wash the cup and stuff, so I don't want the paper to be exposed, or I'll be watching out for the paper. Like, watch out for the paper. I'm gonna put some on these little flowers and stuff too. Cause Mod Podge is what? Your friend to the end. And it's supposed to dry clear. Supposed to, but we gonna see. Because I need to seal this, right? You need to seal it so it won't be the water damage to the especially Miss Snooty, because she's on paper sticker. It's not a plastic sticker at that. So, and I want to seal her in between these flowers too, because the actual stickers. Let's just get this over here like a little bit on top of this one so that it'll have something on it. Yep, on the branch, some protection against water immediately touching it, right? All right, so we're gonna let that dry. Yeah, ain't nothing to it but to do yourself some little projects for yourself. So this is my baby, right? My baby. I'm going to show y'all what I do with my own little baby that I made up, okay? Okay. Nobody else shouldn't be making a project out of your little baby before you. But Ivy did. But it's okay. All right? Get some of it off where I think it's too thick at. So I'm letting that dry up. I'm not going to put any more of this on there. If I feel like I need to put some more on there, in the future, I will. But right now, I'm not going to put no more on there. But that's my little project for today, y'all. And y'all will be seeing her on my desk with my lemon water that I like to make. Y'all gonna be seeing it. Yep, y'all is gonna be seeing it. Lemon water with peppermint tea bag in it. I was like, she's so cute. Okay, little project. What's that? Make sure she's smooth though. All right. Okay, so Miss Snooty has a home over here instead of just being in my sticker bin over here. She has a home now, you know, with the picture on here. So she won't stay in this spot. It's like she want to roll over like that, but she don't want to stay over like that for the video. Let me see if I can put these scissors over here, make her stop for the video. There you go. Let's straighten you up. See, look, a little crooked there. And my, or maybe that's my phone. Okay, I turned my phone. So now it's right. It's right. Because I'm like, my words on my desk look crooked too. All right, y'all. So that's that. I hope you enjoyed this video of me putting this sticker on this cup. You saw what I used. I used this Mod Podge to seal it in. So, yeah. So now I hope to God that it works, okay? Because I knew she was going to need protection on top of her because it is paper. So that's it. Talk to you guys in the next video. I had to do my nails over. When I was messing around with that die cutting machine, it made some of my nail polish come off. It was just horrible, y'all. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.